Hey everybody, this August AMT is releasing parts inventory for its Repair360 reconditioning management system. First you'll see under settings we've released warehouses. Warehouses allow you to build out the locations where your inventory is stored. This could be your individual dealership, or if you have a location serving multiple locations, this is the warehouse to which links your inventory together. Here we have an example called dealer inventory. I could also add a new warehouse, give it a name, give it some information, and then you're going to select which repair location or locations it services. And these will be the locations that have visibility into that inventory. Same with the dealer inventory here. I could also edit this information if the locations that it services ever change. From there, under operations, you'll notice we now have parts inventory. First is we need to select the warehouse we want to view the inventory for. Currently there's no inventory in this warehouse, so we can go ahead and add an inventory type. We can track either parts or supplies. We also allow you to categorize it using the Asis Categorization. This allows you to do quick searches on, show me all air filters regardless of brand or type or part number. Name air filter, you can give a more descriptive name you want. You can choose the unit of measure when you order them. How do they come? If there's warranty, you can track the warranty information here. And you can also give it the part number, which is required. And then you can link it to the vendor that you order it from. Since a lot of vendors often will have different part numbers, this allows you to help keep it categorized. Go ahead and click Save. And then now you have this in your inventory that you can start ordering parts against, right? So if you're going to order parts from Advanced, you're going to order Canon air filters, you could link it to this part in your inventory because currently we have none on hand. We do that simply by adding a batch. In the batch, you can put in the unit price. So we're going to say these air filters are $12.95. You can add a description if you like. You can put in the date that you ordered it. You have the different statuses, so you can indicate if it's on order, received, if you had to return it, if you needed to process a void or anything else like that. You can select how many quantity that you ordered. You can see we go ahead and do the math for you. If you have your invoice from your vendor, you can put it in here now. And if you issued a PO number for this, you can put it in here. And then you click Save. Now this is added into your batch and it's ready to be processed through the parts management screen and linked to a repair order. There will be more coming on this later in July, so stay tuned.